Good day guys, welcome back to another video with Mr. Sa. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to multiply mixed fractions. Now let's get to it guys. So step number one guys, what we're going to be doing is we are going to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So how do we do it? What we do is we take 3, multiply with 3 and then add 2. So we know 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is going to give us 11 over 3. Multiplied with, we're going to do the same thing here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is going to give us 5. So we have 5 over 2. After that guys, we're going to multiply the numerator with the numerator. 11 times 5 is going to give us 55 over 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. Now many a times guys, now once we have the answer as an improper fraction, the question will ask you to convert it into a mixed fraction. So in order for us to convert into a mixed fraction, the answer will look like 9 and 1/6. Now if you guys don't know how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, I'll make sure to put the link in the description below so you guys can check it. Now let's go to question number 2 guys. Again, we're going to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 3 times 3 plus 2 is going to give us 11 over 3 multiplied with 5 times 4 plus 1 is going to give us 21 over 5. Now, as you guys can see, guys, the numbers are kind of big in this question. But what we can do when we multiply fractions is we can simplify the numerator with the denominator. Now, if you take a look at it, we can know that 3 and 21 can be simplified by 3, right, guys? So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is going to give us 7. So what do we have now? We have 11 over 1 times 7 over 5. Now 11 times 7 is 77 over 5, right guys? Now convert it into a mixed fraction. We're gonna have 15 and 2/5, right guys? 15 and 2/5. Now if you are enjoying the video till now guys, I would appreciate it a lot if you click on that like button. Now let's go to question number 3. Again guys, let's go ahead and convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 3 times 2 plus 2 is going to give us 8 over 3 multiplied with 4 times 1 plus 3 is going to give us 7 over 4. Now we see that 8 and 4 can be simplified. So we know that both of these numbers can be divided by 4. So 4 will change to 1 and 8 will change to 2. So what do we have left? We have 2/3 times 7 over 1, which is 14 over 3. Now converting that into a mixed fraction, we'll have 4 and 2/3 guys. All right. Now this question, I want you guys to do it by yourself so you guys can try it out to make sure you understand this topic or not. And once you solve it guys, please make sure you comment below the answer and we'll see if you guys got the correct answer. Now if you did enjoy this video guys, consider subscribing to my channel so you do not miss out on any future videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.